Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I will cook eel fish for today's dinner. So let's start cooking. We will fry these pieces of eel fish for 2 minutes. Then we will remove those pieces from the oil. Then we will add some onion in it and fry until it turns to golden brown. Then we will add some paste of spices in it. For spices here we added some garlic, ginger, cumin powder, red chili powder and some green chilies. So now we will cook this until it becomes thick. After that we will add this fried eel fish. Then we will cook it for 10 minutes. So now my curry is ready to eat. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.